So here we have wires like coming from the second cabinet, to the first cabinet, and here is the joint, and here we have wires inside. We have two kinds of wire, like one are the FRC and other is the power cord. The FRC have numbering from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly, the numbers are on the modules 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first, the number 1 cable, the FRC cable, should be in the port that is near to the number 1. Here is the first module and here is the port. So first one in this, and the second one is the second where you can match these colors and numbers. So second one in this second module, then the third one, the number 3rd in third module, and number 4 in fourth module. So here we have two wires, each have two another output ports, and number 1 in the first, second in second, third one in third, and fourth in fourth. And here we have like the power cord. So we need to join these power cords. Like here, one is the male and the one female. You need to put this inside this. Okay. So after here is the wiring done. After that, you need to close this and open this part of the second cabinet. And similarly, here we have joining screws. Similarly to the wiring, we have joining screws, like one on the top, one over here, like you can see, and one on the bottom. These are used to join these screws are used to join the cabinets. So we have to screw this in the cabinet. So I'm just gonna skip this step, so and you can do it like on your own. We have provided the L keys with the cabinets, with the sign. You can use those L keys and tight the screws to the cabinet. So this is done with the first one. After that, like we have joined the number 1 and the number 2, and now we are going to join the number 3. So here is the number 3. First, like similarly, here we have 2 wire inputs, number 1 and number 2, and 2 joining bolt inputs. So in the number 1, first we are going to put this wire in the top. Similarly, the second one in the port in front of it. Okay, now like you can join these cabinets. Careful, like the wires should not get damaged. And here we have wires like inside the cabinet. Similarly, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So like first on the top one module, second on the next one, third this one, and fourth on the last one. And then we have to join the power cords. That's all we need to do. Now we have 3 cabinets joined with each other. The first one, the second one, and the third one. So similarly in the third one, as we have like as we have did in the first one, second one, we need to put the screws in these holes, like one down here and one up here, like these screws. I'm just skipping this step. You can do it. You can screw the screws for joining them. Okay, I'm just skipping this step. Okay, now we have three parts: the first, second, and third joined with each other. Like here, it's the back side, and it's the front side. Now we are going to install the fourth, fifth, and sixth. We have 6 parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we joined the first, second, third. Now we are going to join fourth, fifth, sixth. Now the fourth one is going to come upon the first one, like the fourth one upon the first one, as you can see in this chart. Like first, fourth, second, fifth, third, sixth. Like fourth one is going to come upon this first one. Okay. Be careful with these wires. These wires will be coming from here. So be careful with it. It should not get damaged. Here it is.
अच्छा उठाओ उधर से
So you can see the first and the fourth, like first above the fourth. Now in the fourth, similarly we did in second and third, we are going to join these wires. Like we have 4 wires, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And we have 4 points: fourth, third, second, and first, and with 4 ports. Now I'm going to put the wires in first, like first wire in the first port, and then second in the second port. Here it is, like down there. Be careful. Like second wire in the second port, and then third wire in the third port, and the fourth wire in the fourth port. After doing this, it is done. Like first and fourth are joined. After that, we are going to join like the fifth cabinet. Where is the fifth cabinet? Okay. Where is the fifth? Similarly, we have to put these wires